How long has that ticket been sitting in your queue right now? An hour? 6 hours? Since Tuesday? Most companies don't have a help desk problem, they have a triage problem, and that's exactly what we're going to fix today. Every hour an employee waits on IT, that's an hour your business pays for twice. Lost productivity on their end. Burn on your IT team's end. And tickets that don't close? They compound. Same 5 problems. Next week. Week after that. If your IT lead's calendar is 70% Tier 1 work and 30% strategy, something is broken. It should be the other way around. There are 6 patterns we see right before a Texas company calls us. Tickets averaging more than 24 hours to first response. The same problems showing up every single week, no permanent fix. Employees calling the IT lead's cell instead of opening tickets. Critical issues sitting behind low-priority requests in the queue. After-hours coverage, that's basically whoever happens to pick up. And an IT lead spending most of their week on Tier 1 work. If 2 or 3 of those hit close to home, you don't need more hours. You need a system. There are 3 models for running a help desk in Texas. In-house, only your team handles everything. Works well under 50 users. High loaded cost and coverage gaps when people are out. Fully outsourced and MSP takes Tier 1 through escalation. Best if you have no internal IT or you want to redirect that headcount entirely. Co-managed help desk. This is the most common thing we run in Texas. Your IT lead keeps strategy and Tier 3. We cover Tier 1, overflow, and after hours. Most 50 to 300 user companies land right here. Here's exactly what happens when someone opens a ticket with Uprite. Step 1, submitted. Phone, email, portal, or chat. Step 2, triaged within 10 minutes. Categorized by type, severity, and impact. Right tech assigned. Documentation pulled before they start. Step 3, resolved or escalated. We aim to close it on first touch. If it escalates, the handoff is documented, the next tech doesn't start from scratch. Step 4, closed and documented. Same issue won't get re-diagnosed next time it shows up. Most tickets close at Step 3. Here's what 20-plus years supporting Texas businesses looks like. MSP 501 honoree, 6 years running. 2026 CRN Pioneer 250 designation. 10-minute triage every ticket, every time. 120-day satisfaction guarantee. Exit your contract if it's not working. And a year 1 rate lock your cost doesn't move in the first 12 months. This isn't marketing copy. These are the commitments in your contract. Structured help desk support closes the loop. Faster triage, first touch resolution, after-hours coverage, full documentation, Texas only. We've been doing this since 1999 across Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, and Southeast Texas. Head to uprite.com and get a free help desk scope. We map your ticket volume, your gaps, and what coverage actually costs. No obligation, no pitch before you have the numbers. Thank you.